Hey guys, Taylor here from Tauranga Cars, and I've got a 2015 Toyota GT86. This one is the GT Limited spec at 122,000 Ks, and it is a very nice spec. As you can see here when we go inside, we have half leather tan seats. We got the heated seats as well as some slightly nicer TRD badging. Interior wise, it's in very good condition. The steering wheel's nice as well with a bit of tan leather on it. This is the GT Limited version, obviously, meaning that it's got the heated seats as well as the dual zone climate controls. This one's also got a built-in dash cam, and in the glove box there's a control for it. You pop that micro SD card in that and it will record any events that occur on the road. The rear seats in these are never really ever in bad nick because they've barely ever been sat in, because as you can see it's quite a tight squeeze to get in the back of these cars. This one's got paddle shifters as well as the 6-speed automatic transmission, and they shift very fast, very hard, and they're proper automatic, not a CVT. This car also comes on extremely good quality Michelin Pilot Sport 5 tyres, and they are incredibly grippy. It's also got little bits on the outside of the car, some canards, TRD. It's got the TRD high response exhaust as well, which makes a much nicer noise than the standard exhaust, as well as a ducktail spoiler, and I think that just makes the car look extremely cool. It's also got TRD side skirts on it, and those side skirts just add to the whole look of the vehicle. Little bits of extra trim on the guards. Overall, it's a very nice car to drive. It handles really well, feels well sorted on the road, and it doesn't seem to have anything bizarre going on with it that we need to deal with, so it's ready to roll. This vehicle here is down on our yard at 10 15th Ave. Come and take it for a drive.